Hello and welcome to My Retro Watches. This is just a quick video really to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and hopefully a Happy New Year too. Thank you very much for your support in 2019. The channel has grown really big this year. At the beginning of January this year I just touched 1,000 subscribers, and at that point I kind of thought that maybe I've got a bit of an audience and perhaps I should put some more effort into making some videos. So that's what I've done all this year. I've tried to make as much content as I can and trying to show you different things that I get up to, the projects I get up to, and inspire more and more of you into this excellent hobby, full of highs and full of lows. I know quite a few of you are now on board, which is absolutely fantastic. This is the sole aim really of this channel. So again, I just want to thank you all. I'm about to hit 10,000 subscribers. We've had 1 million views, which is that's just crazy really. So there's clearly a big appetite for people who want to try their hand at watchmaking, or at least want to watch the videos of people like me trying their hand at watchmaking. So hopefully Santa brings you everything that you want at Christmas, more watches, more tools, something like that. I somehow don't think he's bringing me anything this year to do with watches. I really don't think so. Let's put it that way. I've got far too much stuff as it is already. So with that, like I say, happy Christmas. Have a great new year. More content coming in 2020. I've got quite a few projects planned. A lot more what I'm now going to call blind projects, which are my first attempts in particular movements or particular watches, for instance Russian watches or Swiss watches, so on and so forth. So let's see what happens in 2020. Good luck with all of your watchmaking, and I will see you all in the new year. Bye for now.